Hey YouTube, so you know I gotta use my 333 hair oil. Y'all see that growth? But unfortunately I cut it all off. That's in the next video. But get into this install. I'm using that good old Boho liquid gold to adhere my edges. Cause uh, um this acts like a protector for my edges. You know, to each his own. But as you can see, I have all my edges and I stay wearing glue. But yes, get you some liquid gold from Boho. I'm using alcohol, 91%, clean off my edges, clean off my skin actually. You don't want to clean off your edges now. Dry that. Then we're going to use that skin protector by Boho. Be generous. And then you want to tap. Okay. I am not wearing no cap, so that's why I say that this is a protector for my hair. Okay. So let's start. Let's do this damn thing. So I'm going to use the tape on the sides. Actually cut one, actually took one in half and cut it in half. So yeah, I used the two little ones on the side. And then we're going to use the other one and make it into an L shape. So yes, do that L shape and your wig going to be secure, honey. Secure. All right, now we got all the tabs off. Now we're going to apply that good old Boho Active by Boho. And as you can see, I keep telling y'all, I put this stuff on my hair. Miss Gibson does not require it. She does not want you guys to do this. This is not in her book, but as a hairstylist, this is what I do. And it does not affect my hair at all. You know, I wouldn't do this to a client only if they like, all right, girl, do my hair like how you do yours. Otherwise than that, I'm doing the ball cap and all that. But this is what I do to myself. So now I'm going to apply my wig. Y'all see that melt already, though? Damn. You see that melt? You see that melt? So bada bing, bada boom. I got a little lift ups. So I'm going to add some glue underneath there. Like so. Just a little. Thin layers. You want it to be thin. You don't want no gook mess in the front of your head. So you want to do this thin, okay? So you're going to take your comb and you're going to press it in, mush it in, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to do. All right now. So I'm going to pluck a little bit because this wig is kind of old. So, you know, as I wear it, you know, I kind of like cut the lace off and recreate new baby hairs. This wig been rocking with me for a long time, honey. So, yeah. Just a little bit. Y'all know I'm really not a baby hair fan, but just a little bit. Especially with curly hair. You need a little bit of swoops and swirls. I'm just thinning that out because it was looking kind of too thick. And you want your hairline to look natural as possible. With or without baby hairs, okay? Spray some Got To Be glue spray. Get that good old frontal wrap and tie her down. don't forget to go on over to www.flamboyanttouches.com and grab you a frontal wrap, okay? I actually did not wet my hair because I didn't want the curly look. I actually wanted the poofy look, so I just added some BioSilk and I brushed her out. Yeah, and that's how she look. Got the hot comb, tamed the front. Okay, so to form my baby hairs, I took Got to Be. Why did I say Got to Be? Why did I even play my friend like that? But I took the Boho Jelly with some of my Girl Exquisite by Beyond Mousse and formed me some baby hairs. See? Real light. Not much. Real light. I like to call them swoopies. Not even swoopies, like, what I call them again? Wispies. That's what I call them. I call them wispies. Just a little wispy. You know what I'm saying? Not much, not much. See, I got parts and I ain't even got no cap on. What you talk about? Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit of powder. I don't like to use concealer on this part. I like to use powder because I just like using powder. And it don't make it look gooky. So yeah, to each his own, to each his own. No shade, no shade. Use what you want, use what you want. But this is what I like to use. A little bit of powder. Bada bing, bada bam. I'm just plucking a little bit. Yes. Spray some Got to Be glue spray. Tie it back down with that good old frontal wrap. Okay. Custom made, honey. Now watch me slay. I think it's definitely a melt. Definitely a slay. Yes. So, like, comment, subscribe, and drop them comments below. Whatever else you would like to see me drop, just let me know.